Hello everyone, welcome back to Fundrise Finance. And just like that, we are halfway through 2022, and it has been a crazy ride so far in the stock market, where the S&P 500 is down more than 21% year to date, and the Nasdaq faring much worse, down more than 30% year to date. The market fall so far this year has been so unique that it's in fact one of the worst starts to the year since 1970, with inflation being one of the major factors for this fall. We have seen the inflation hit record levels this year. But if we go by this article on CNBC, in 1970, when the S&P 500 plunged 21% in the first half, it reversed 26.5% in the second half. So hope that really happens. But irrespective of whether the rebound happens or not, one good thing being a dividend investor is that the dividends keep flowing in, no matter whether the market is up or down. You choose good quality dividend paying stocks, and they will keep paying you even in the downtrend. In today's video, I want to go over the dividends that I received in the month of June. This has been a record month for me, wherein I received the maximum dividends so far in my investing journey. So let's check it out. Starting with my M1 Finance portfolio, where I have $19,260 invested. Currently, my portfolio is down almost 9% here, and this M1 portfolio currently gives me an annual dividend of almost $722 with the current yield of 4.11%. So here, as you can see, in the last 1 month, my M1 portfolio has fallen 8.26%, and compare that against the S&P 500, which has fallen 8.39% in the last 1 month. So my portfolio has held slightly better than the larger index. In fact, at the beginning of the month, my portfolio was almost $19,000, but we have seen a massive dip in the first half of the month, where you can see the portfolio falling from almost 18,960 all the way down to 16,934 before recovering a little and finally ending at 17,560. When I filter my dividends here for the month of June, it started with Black Hills, then with Enbridge, then the Coward Call ETFs, then I have Cummins with almost $1.85, UPS almost a dollar, Sherwin-Williams half a dollar, then JP $5.60, Johnson & Johnson $1.84, Tractor Supply almost 80 cents, Pfizer $1.74, Target just over a dollar, Walgreens $2.17, 3M $2.33, and Consolidated Edison over $2. Realty Income, the monthly payer, almost 90 cents. Whirlpool $1.74, and Prudential $3. Then L3 Harris $1.30. Likewise McDonald's $1.30. BlackRock $1.60. Qualcomm 70 cents. Bank of America over a dollar. Lockheed Martin almost $2. Then I have my ETF family. Viva MI, the international one, giving me $4.72. Likewise, the International Dividend Appreciation VIGI $2.14. Then the ever dependable SCHD $6.29. Then I have the energy ETF almost a dollar, utilities ETF half dollar, real estate VNQ $2.39, the small cap value VBR $1.17, and the growth ETF just over half a dollar, the value ETF $2.42. And towards the end of the month, again the covered call ETFs coming into play, each giving almost $2.50. Then Goldman Sachs $1.28, T. Rowe Price $2, then Beaver almost $2.50, Broadcom almost a dollar, Digital Realty $1.20, PepsiCo $1.45, and Union Pacific almost 90 cents. Overall, when I tally up the dividends, for the month of June I had received $84.93, which is the best month ever so far, beating out the last March one, which was $81.53. At a quarterly level, even that's a record, $177.30 in Q2, beating out almost $170 in Q1. And when I look at the annual dividends, I've received $347 so far this year, and that handily beats out $259 almost that I received for the entire 2021. These graphs are really amazing. This shows that as you keep investing with discipline, your dividends will keep growing. And when I look at the upcoming payments for the month of July, I can see payments from coming in from Coca-Cola, UGI, Genuine Parts, Kimberly-Clark, HPQ, VG Properties, Merck, Omnicom, Altria Group, Medical Properties, WP Carey, Realty Income, Leggett& Platt, Medtronic, Oracle, Comcast, Cisco, and JP Morgan. So these are the companies which have just announced their dividends paying out in the month of July. And if I tally them out, I can see almost $37 coming in just from the announced companies. So there should be a few which might be announcing as we go into the month of July. So in the month of April, I had received $51.40. So with my continued investments into the stocks, I should be expecting more than that in the month of July. So what I see here for $37 plus the companies which I should expect to announce the dividends payout in the month of July should easily bring the value more than $51. Let's see how the month of July pays out. Coming to my Fidelity portfolio, where I have almost $10,300 invested. Here my portfolio is down almost 9%, similar to my M1 portfolio. I'm currently at a paper loss of over just over $900. This portfolio provides me a dividend of $358.34 annually and currently is yielding 3.81%. Here, starting from the 1st of June, I received $1.34 from Aflac, then American Waters gave me 63 cents, Kroger 76, Pinnacle was 247, WEC Energy $1.22, Parker Hannifin 66, Southern Co $1.62, Amgen $1.71, American Electric Power $1.42, Chevron $2.02, then Emerson Electric 80 cents, ExxonMobil 60, Huntington Ingalls $1.27, Eli Lilly 59 cents, Lumen Technologies 56, PPG Industries 58 cents, Rockwell Automation 53 cents, Cibo Global 75 cents, Horizon Technology 31, Next Era 79, Old Republic $1.41, Duke Energy 39, Main Street 77 cents, then Atlantica Sustainable 30 cents, Termina Pipeline, this is a monthly payer, 81 cents, Waste Management 64 cents, Dominion Energy 32 cents, Interpublic Group $1.23, VF Corp $1.42, Manulife Financial $2.45, Exponent 33 cents, Texas Roadhouse 13 cents, Becton Dickinson 60, Crown Castle 26, CTO Realty, this is one of my favorite REITs, paying me $4.34, Devon Energy $2.82, then Public Storage 23 cents, and Simon Property 95 cents. So one may think with dividends paying so low, like 30 cents here, 40 cents there, or 70 cents there, that they are being such low dividends. But no, it doesn't matter. They all add up. As you can see, for the month of June, by adding all those up, I'm almost $39.42 over here, which is more than almost $3 more than what I was paid in the month of March. Then $36.47. If I look at a quarterly dividends, I had $84.46, which is much better than what I had in Q1, almost $81 then. And annually, I'm already $165.41 here, which is much, much more than what I was paid for the entire 2021. So yes, the dividends may keep trickling in. They might be very small, but doesn't matter. They just add up. Here, when I look at the upcoming dividend payments, I should be expecting dividends from ADP, CH Robinson, Huntington Bankshares, Best Buy, Broadridge, International Flavors, Iron Mountain, American Tower, Chubb, Amphenol, Mondelez, Benjamin Resources, Federal Realty Trust, Horizon, Main Street, Pembina, Packaging Corp, Philip Morris, Stowe Capital, Thor Industries, MSC Industrial, IDEX Corp, and Toronto Dominion. Overall, it's almost over $24. And these are just those companies which have announced their dividend payments in the month of July. So this almost $24.50 of expected payout for the month of July already beats out what I got for the month of April, which was just under $20. So any company which announces more for the month of July, well and good. It just keeps getting more. One thing that caught my eye here is why does CTO Realty show more than 66% down for the day? That's not correct. Then we have my stash portfolio, wherein I have $6,875 invested, and this portfolio is down just over 9%. It currently gives me an annual dividend of $134 almost, at a dividend yield of 2.14%. This portfolio is completely ETF based, wherein almost 80 to 85% is into quality dividend paying ETFs. The remaining 5 to 10% is into the speculative ones, which include the ARK ETFs, which have been the worst performing. As you can see here, the ARK Finance ETF is the worst performer, almost 71% down. Anyways, these speculative ETFs just make up very less part of this portfolio, so I don't mind just experimenting with them. Now, this portfolio paid me $31.34 for the month of June, which, as we can see here, if we keep the month of December aside, this June has been the best month so far. The reason why December is the highest paying is because almost all of the ARK ETFs and other international ETFs are mostly either annual or semi-annual. So typically the December month seems to be the highest over there. But apart from that, this has been my highest paying month so far. And look at the annual dividends. It's almost $57 so far. So yeah, even if I get paid just similarly for the next 2 months, I should be on the way to beat my 2021 of $92.10. Then at last, we come to my Acorns portfolio. This has been my oldest investing portfolio, which I started way back in 2017. I really, really like the Acorns platform. It's absolutely best one out there for the starting investor. I made videos in the past regarding Acorns and how it promotes disciplined investing. I'll link it up in this card above. Please do check it out. In this portfolio, I have over $3,500 invested, and this has been my best performing portfolio, I can say, because I've started in this way earlier. This is down just under a percent now. In fact, it was more than 10 or 15% earlier, but as we all know what happened till now this year, it has just taken down every portfolio into the red, and mine is not any exception. This portfolio gives me an annual dividend of $82.39 at a yield of 2.34%. For the month of June, I got paid almost $19 from this portfolio. From an annual dividend point, I'm just over $29 for the year so far. And if the same trend continues, I should be well on track to beat the dividends for 2021. So yeah, that's my dividends for all of my four portfolios for the month of June. As you can see here, overall, I received almost $175 this month from all of these portfolios, which is really amazing. So even in the market downturn, your dividends don't stop coming in. And as my portfolio slowly grows bigger and bigger, even the dividends will become getting bigger. That's the beauty of dividend investing. Hope you like this video. Until we meet in the next one, let's try to do as much as possible to be financially healthy. See you. Bye.